Looking to add a custom sidebar to your WordPress site using the latest block themes? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a sidebar that perfectly fits your website's needs from scratch using the powerful site editor. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through every step so you don't miss a thing. First things first, with WordPress's modern block-based themes, adding a sidebar is much more visual and flexible than ever before. You won't need to mess with code or struggle with old-school widgets. Everything is controlled right inside the site editor, giving you a live preview of your design as you make changes. To start, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, find Appearance, then click on Editor. This opens up the site editor, your command center for editing the overall look and layout of your site. If this is your first time in the site editor, take a moment to look around. It's designed to make website building much more intuitive. Next, think about where you actually want your new sidebar to show up. Most folks add sidebars to blog posts, pages, or archive templates. So in the editor's left panel, click on Templates. You'll see a list of all the templates your theme uses: single post, page, archive, and beyond. Find the one you want to modify, for example, single post if you want your sidebar to show up beside each blog post. Click into that template and you'll see a preview of your layout ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, structuring your layout to make space for the sidebar. I highly recommend opening the List View panel. This gives you a clear outline of all the blocks currently in use, which really helps prevent getting lost as your design gets more complex. Navigate to the main content area of the template, click it, and look for the transform option in the block toolbar. This is kind of like changing the frame of your canvas. By transforming the main content block into a columns block, you instantly open up room for both your content and a new sidebar area side by side. If you don't see the transform option right away, make sure the correct parent block is selected. Sometimes WordPress's interface can be a little particular. Next, let's define how wide you want each section. Typically, a good starting point is to set the main content column to around 70%, keeping your articles or pages easy to read, and the sidebar column to 30%. But the beauty of the block editor is that you can easily adjust these widths to match your taste or brand style. Just select the columns block and look for the settings where you can drag or enter percentage values. Now you've got a blank sidebar ready for your personal touch. Click into that smaller column, the one you've just designated as your sidebar. Hit the little plus button to add blocks and start filling your sidebar with whatever content makes sense for your visitors. Maybe you want a search block on every page, a categories or latest posts block to help readers explore your site, or even a short bio so visitors can quickly learn about you. Remember, you can use any block in this sidebar column: images, social links, call to action buttons, so get creative. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save. This applies your changes to your template and instantly updates the layout site-wide wherever that template is used. If something doesn't look quite right, you can easily jump back in and tweak it, so don't worry about making mistakes. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added a completely custom sidebar to your WordPress site using the site editor and block themes. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun customizing your site.